Hi everyone, it's Gadget Girl here. Welcome to my channel. I post videos all about technology, gadgets, coding, and more. In this video, I will be showing you how to install VirtualBox and a virtual machine.
The first step is to go to virtualbox.org. For the website link, click the description box below. There are different operating system installs, but I will be showing the Windows 10 version. Click the Windows host link version and the exe file will download. Go to your download section and follow the prompts to accept default settings. Download will take about 1 to 2 minutes. Click Next, 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 Yes, Install. This will take about a minute or so. And then that's it. Super easy install. For the Kali Linux install, go to kali.org and select the bare metal option. This version is completely customizable. If you're looking for a pre-built Kali box, select the VirtualBox option. If you would like pictorial documentation, click Installation Documentation to follow along. For the bare metal Kali box, you will have different options. I chose the 64-bit version. Also, make sure you have enough space in your computer to download this because it is about 2.7 gigs. Some other things to note: if you opt to install the default desktop and the software packages, you should aim for at least 20 gigs of free space on your computer. This will prevent errors from occurring later on. The download time will take about 10 to 20 minutes. Once the Kali Linux ISO file is downloaded, go to your installed VirtualBox, then click New to create your virtual machine. Select a name for your virtual machine, change the memory size to 2048, and then for your hard disk, leave it as default as Create a Virtual Hard Disk Now. Click Create to go to the next step. For file location, leave it as default and change file size to 20 gigs. This will ensure that your software packages that you install later on will have enough space. Leave the rest as default and select Create. Then go to your settings for your Kali box and go to General, Advanced, and change your Share Clipboard and drag and drop to bi-directional. Then go to your system, unclick floppy, go to your processor and change it to 2 for enhancement. Go to storage and create and add an optical drive. Select the ISO file that you just downloaded from your computer. Click Choose and click OK. Then you can start your machine. Select your host drive to the ISO file you just downloaded. Select Graphical Install and click Enter from your computer. Select the language. Select your location. Select Configure the keyboard. Then you want to enter a host name. Then enter a domain name. I select Gadget Girl. Click Continue and enter your name. I entered Gadget Girl. Click Continue and enter your username for your account. I selected Gadget Girl. Click Continue and choose a password for your account. This will be used later on. Next, you will configure the clock. Click Continue. Then you will click through and keep the default for your partition disks. Click Continue. And then select Yes to write the changes to disks. This part, you will want to leave everything as default. If there is an error, you will need to increase your memory size. Install the Grub bootloader and select Yes. Click Continue. select the default, wait for it to load, and then finish the installation. This will reboot. Next, you will enter your username and password that you had created previously. Enter that in, and you are all done.
Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. See you next time!